What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon, because I might haunt you in your dreams as to why you left without subscribing. Just kidding. I would love you guys to be a part of my YouTube family and to give me a chance to present good entertaining videos for you all. Also, do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account, as I have been creating a lot of aesthetic photographs over there as well. I'm sure you guys would love to see that, and the handle is down in the description box as well. This is going to be the very beautiful Myntra haul, and honestly more of like a Myntra crop top haul, you know. And I already made a Ajio crop top video. If you've not seen that, then the link is down below and also in the screen this side. This one is going to consist of a lot of amazing tops, and like all of the tops in this one are hands down very beautiful. I just don't want to brag here and there. I would just start right now. My most favorite one, as you can see that I'm already wearing. So this top is from the brand called Casually. I have two tops from Casually this time, and the Casually spelling starts from K and not a C. So this is like a pastel pink color top with abstract print on them. I love square neckline, and this one has a very beautiful defined square neckline. It has a very nice smoked fitted fit around the chest, and also around the cuffs of the sleeves you will see a lot of smoke print over here, and this sleeve is like the Aladdin ka sleeve. So right now I'm like this Aladdin ka chirag sitting over here. The material of this one is this very light woven satin kind of material, and for the size I took actually one size up because it was a smoked kind of a effect, so it would be like very bodycon, and I did not want it to be like very sticky to my body. That's why I got one size up. You can definitely get your own size only because it's like completely true to size. I got this one for rupees 599, and I am so in love with this one, guys. You have to definitely check this one out. The next piece is absolute pretty. It's like a dolled up top, I'm telling you. It is from the brand called Veeni Vidhi VC. Very pretty navy blue color. I know you are sold out at this one. This is so damn cute. It's like a ruffled top. You can see the ruffles all over the chest and then on the sleeves and at the back as well. And at the back you have this very beautiful tie kind of style. You can tie up a knot over here and like this. You can see a lot of knitted style is there. So this is of a knitted polyester material. I got this one in my size medium. It is completely true to size. You can stick to your own size, and this one I got for rupees 520, which is, I am telling you, a very decent price for this kind of top. I completely remember shopping for like party occasion types of tops, and I would get these for rupees 1200 or 1300 like that. This also kind of has color options like white and red, and from the brand called The Dry State. I like this name, like it's kind of very unique for sure. And this one is in a very checked kind of print, and oh my god, which one is the front side? Checked kind of pattern in yellow and blue color, like the very classic blue and yellow color style here. So this one is actually off shoulder top, but I don't see it like that. I literally see it as a on shoulder for sure, like kind of slight kind of frill in this area. It does not look like that, but it is definitely there. And this is in a knitted material, but the material is so thick and so nice. मैंने जब इसको देखा था, मैंने जब पहली बार तुमको देखा था. Tell me which song is this? First time when I saw it on the website, मुझे लगा था कि it's gonna be like very thin, but the material is damn awesome. Like one I got in the size medium, it is completely true to size, and this one is for 539 rupees. So if you want to go for something like this, which is like a very cropped style, you can definitely pair it up with a very nice high-waisted denim jeans, or even it will look amazing with those pleated skirts like the skater skirt. The next piece is from a brand called Sarfaraz. I always say Sarfaraz, like who is this person?
Huh? What? Who are you?
This one is also so damn pretty. The material of this one is like this georgette material, like very lightweight georgette material, and the color is just so subtle and light, and the print is of this floral kind of print in like blue gray color. Is not exactly blue, but also has like a very nice short kind of collar over here. And then this is like a wraparound kind of top, so you can see these kind of a lot of like this cloth extension there, so you can cross it over and make a very nice wraparound kind of top, and you tie the bow at the back of it. The sleeves are also nicely cuffed over here. It looks kind of a shirt kind of a style, but at the same time it's like a wraparound top, which is like a very beautiful combination. I got this one in my own size medium. You can get it on your own size, like it's completely true to size. And this one was for rupees 674 rupees. Next piece is again from the brand Casually, and this one is like more of a casual style. So this one actually may look like stripes to you guys, but in detailing this is completely like this stitching on the front of the top, which is so much on trend right now. Like Urbanic has so many these kind of patched stitched kind of tops in their website, or it has stitching like all over the sleeves as well, and it is just like a clean cut like that, and it is not very cropped, to be honest. You can definitely wear it with a mid-rise jeans also. Then a knitted material, and the material is actually 100% cotton, and I got this one in my size medium, and this one was for rupees 710 or something like that. Since the material is like pretty thick, it might feel a little bit like thick and a little bit warm.
My son, don't go to school basketball no more. I take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're gonna embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm gonna cut his hair, send him to school with a bald head.
Okay guys, that is like the, oh my god, I'm gonna break my that's like the end of this video. I love this haul. Like I know I say this in every one, but yaar ye wala na, this is something different. This is so damn pretty. Like every piece was so close to my heart. Like, oh my god, that blue one, and then this one. I mean, I don't know what should I pick as my most favorite, but whatever it is, you know what you liked, and you have all the links down below in the description box, and also you have my Instagram link down below, so you can check me out over there as well. And I hope you guys like this video. Do give your suggestions for my next videos down in the comment section, because I'll wrap it up over here. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and ज़्यादा बाहर मत घूमो वरना third wave आ जाएगा. And
I don't want to die.